So, I got about half of Marduk up to the new digs, and since she's disassembled anyway, I'm doing some quality of life tweaks. So far moved these power core receptacles further down into the console. That way they aren't in the way as much of the wall to arms. Working on replacing these console panels. Reinforcing the shoulder struts. Well, this one really. And doing an entire PVC conversion, so instead of lumber, Marduk will be mostly PVC on her top half, except for the wood paneling that makes up the consoles and stuff. And yeah, did some replacing of the modem cables because they were a little hinky and big mess back there. Marduk's torso paneling, and we'll go around back to the back of the garage. There's a snow blower I'm going to use for Talos. Through the swamp. And here's the rest of Marduk's parts. I'm going to be rebuilding the roof paneling so it's a lot lighter because that's about 30 pounds and it's a pain in the ass to schlep up into the air. And here are Marduk's arms on the old stasis dock. It's kind of dark back here, don't have a light with me. But they're pretty much mostly off the ground. There's Judd McStud's feet, and I've got some scrap plywood to keep it off the ground a little bit, and Marduk's head is hiding back there, you can't see it, but it's there. And, yeah, settling in kind of nicely. There's some space in front of this overhang thingy here that I can put both giant robots when I have them done. And there's my parents' trailer that I might be borrowing, you know, whenever I decide to do giant robot stuff, I guess. And I guess that will be all for today. We'll just return to the front of the garage, past all this soggy decomposing wood. And my goodness, look at all those garbage cans. Boy. There we go. And that will be all for today, I guess. If you do enjoy my mech madness, be sure to like and subscribe and, you know, share with people who like giant robots too. And until next time, make sure you build your mechs right the first time. Bye-bye.